Hello my friends, we are here in this cloudy yet wonderful day outside to enjoy this beautiful forest. We will try to reach a good top of a mountain in the south of Italy. I'm not really sure if I can get up there, but I'm pretty sure that I will make a good fire and cook a stick on it and have some good time outside. With an environment like this, in this type of wood and forest, it's really easy to get lost, especially with the snow that covers the trail. So don't be afraid to look too much often to the map or to the GPS or to the compass. The environment is really beautiful, but as I said, it's also a bit tricky. Could be dangerous to walk without and wander without paying attention. This trail seems easy on the video maybe, but I can tell you that it's steep, and with the snowshoes you make much effort to walk, but I can tell you that it's worth it, guys. During winter it's almost impossible not to sweat, especially when you walk with your snowshoes. It's almost impossible not to sweat. So for me it's really important that you bring with you, always take with you a good pair of t-shirt to change yourself when you get to the top, and or eventually when you stop to make the fire. You prepare the wood, and after that you change yourself, because it's really easy to get cold during winter in the snow if you have wet clothes on you. So usually it just takes the change of the t-shirt, and a dry t-shirt will make a whole difference. This fence here is to keep the humans away from this place. Inside that fence you can go, because they have a natural reserve for animals, and it's protected, so you can't walk in there, and actually is full of animals, wild animals. At some point of this day I guess that I will have to decide if I want to cook my stick and so collect the wood and start the fire, or get to the top, because I don't think that I will be able to do both. But it's a wonderful day out anyway. In any cases, I will decide. Actually, it's starting to snow. Regarding my clothes during winter, given that someone of you has asked me about the clothes I prefer, I have to tell you guys that I don't like very much technical clothes. I usually wear wool. This is of is made of wool, and the reasons are that it's breathable. Not sure if it's the right word, but anyway, the skin can breathe in the wool for me better than any other material, even technical material. Then the wool is less prone to get fire. I know that the wool is flammable, but if you stay near the fire, I never had a problem with it. While if you use some technical stuff like Gore-Tex, you will make a hole in it in no time near the fire. And also technical clothes are very expensive, while the wool you can find, I guess you can find some good wool clothes in your closet. So for me it's the best choice. Sorry if I can't give you I can't give you details about the source of my clothes, where to get them, but as I said, I'm pretty sure you can find them in your closet without spending any money. Given that my poles are not made for snow, I made this, which works pretty well. You see? It's snowing a lot. I'm not sure if I will be able to continue my trip, unfortunately. I guess I will make a fire in a while if it doesn't stop to snow. I'm a bit sad because I would have liked I would have preferred to get to the top of this beautiful mountain, but we have to improvise in the outside and take what it gets. Anyway, what a beautiful sight. As you can see, everything, guys, is becoming more and more white. I'm really happy to be here, even if it's not very good for my back. I'm suffering from my back lately, so it's not very good this weather, but it's too good to stay at home. Look at this. I can tell you guys that it's been a really difficult trail, and not even on the top of it, but anyway, let's take a look at my... I'm sure that I will not able to show you the steepness of this trail, but I can tell you that it's been really tough, guys, but I'm really glad to be out here. This is the fence that I've told you before. As you can see, full of snow. We are gaining the open, which means that we are almost on the spine of the mountain, on the line of trees where the trees stop to grow. And from this point on I can choose where to pass. It's really snowing heavy, as you can see, very heavy, and I'm really wondering if it's better to stop and cook something on the fire or continue, because the weather forecast tells that it's going to stop this snow, but you never know when you are in the open how it's gonna be. Fortunately, someone yesterday or the day before has passed in this trail, so the snow is a bit more compact and it's easier to walk on it. Regardless to the condition, I really want to get to the top, so I won't listen any reason, and I will try to get there. Anyway, the snow is not really heavy. It will be difficult if you stop by, because the temperature is really low, but if you continue walking, no problem. Eventually, in the case I will stop, if I have the time, I will start the fire, and I won't have any problem at all. Look at this, guys. This forest is really beautiful. This piece of trail is without any trace. I don't know if the person that get up here went back after reaching this part, but I want to get to the top. This part of the trail is really steep. It's so cold that I can't even speak. Actually, you can't see anything. This is a thunder, and you can see only snow around, but it's beautiful anyway. This, guys, is actually the top, even if I'm pretty sure you won't see anything, but this is the top, blown by the wind and the snow. I won't spend many minutes on this top of this mountain because of the wind and the cold. It's really cold, guys, and I'm freezing up here. Sorry for the wind, guys. As you can see, up here everything is freezed. Even refuge, I don't know, even this bivouac, even this bivouac is freezed, even if it's also closed, unfortunately. But anyway, I will get out of here and get in the wood to make the fire. The way back is much easier, guys. Unfortunately, with this kind of weather, I only taken with me this small knife, but anyway. Now that we are under the tarp, and also the snow seems to have stopped for a while at least. Anyway, the situation is much better. Of course, with a small knife like this, I have to start from the outside. I can split it in half, but I have to start from the outside and take out small parts of the log. You see? Okay. For me, this is good enough. I have made a small bed of logs for my fire. And now I will start it. the situation is much better. Now, I think we are at a good point. Ole. Now I warm myself a bit because I deserve it, and then I will cook a stick and have a good tea. I don't have much time, unfortunately, because we are half past 3, but we will have enough time anyway. In the meanwhile, we will boil some water. I also have my thermos with me. When you are in the snow, it's really important that you don't leave anything on the ground. And in the meanwhile, we cut a bit more of wood, and then we prepare the stick. We have a big knot. Look at this, guys. Some herbs. I guess I will cook it directly on the coals, because I don't have the. Eventually I can use another method, but I'm not sure if I will do it. Maybe I will try. Let's see. See, just a fork like this one. Is all you need. As you can see, the fire has made a big hole in the snow, and you need to keep feeding it in order not to stop to cheese. But in my case, I will just have my tea and leave quickly, because it's starting to snow again, really heavy. Fortunately, guys, I haven't been able to show you my tea because I've put it in my thermos and I will drink it along the trail to warm myself a bit. Now I will warm a bit on my fire, and then I will start the going down to my car. Also trying to dry up a bit my pants. Good method for when you are in the snow is to, you can't even use a stick, you see, and bury it in the snow. Easy and sorry guys if I didn't make a longer clips about the lunch, the meat, the stick and everything else, but the snow is coming down really quickly, and so I have to be quick and I can't shoot anything I do. Now the snow has stopped again. As I said before, is always a good option to have a thermos with you to drink a good coffee or tea along the trail during the cold winter. The wind has played with the snow. I hope that you enjoyed this video, even if I didn't stop by to show you everything I did. But as I said, during winter and when it's snowing, it's not really easy to show everything. Anyway, till you next time, I wish you all the best, my friends. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.